Children, let's continue with the same topic, prepositions. Our first preposition is preposition of time. At, on, in, etc. are mainly used preposition of time. It indicates the relation between a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence in terms of time reference. At, start with at. At is used for point of time, festival, for meal time, and for indefinite period. Let's take some examples to clear these points. First is, our class starts at 8:30 a.m. This is point of time when you are mentioning the exact point. Second example, we have to report at 5 p.m. Again, a specific time is here. Third, I woke up at 6 in the morning. Again, this is point of time. In these three examples, at 8:30, at 5 p.m. and at 6 in the morning are specific point of time. Next is for festivals. See the example. I will be going home at Diwali. Means on properly Diwali, on proper day you are going there. Next is for meal time. I will discuss this matter at lunch. Second, they will come to our home at dinner. Next is, he goes to gym at evening. This is indefinite period of time. At evening, time is not mentioned here and only evening is here. Birds chirp more at dusk time. Again, dusk time means in the morning time but not specifically at 8 o'clock or at 5 o'clock. Our next preposition is on. On is used for day, before date, before day plus morning, evening, afternoon or night, etc. See some examples. The Malsi Deer Park remains closed on Monday, before the name of a day. The internal exam will begin on 10th August, before the date. Next is, he will take flight on Sunday night. She reached home on Monday morning. In these two examples, day plus evening, morning, night, this rule is mentioned. Next is in. Our next preposition is in. In is used for seasons, before the name of months, before a particular year, and for future time also. See some examples. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Children, in summer, summer is a season. And before summer we have used here in. Her show is in October. Again, name of the month is here and therefore we have used in. See some more examples. I was born in 1980. He will call you in 3 days. In 1980 and in 3 days, here are year and future reference, the coming future reference. So this is all for in, on and at.